If Google Chrome is showing a black screen on Windows 10, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes step by step. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of a temporary browser glitch, a graphics setting, a bad extension, or even a compatibility problem in Windows. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it without reinstalling Chrome or making any complicated changes. So if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is restarting Google Chrome. Completely close the browser first, not just minimize it. If Chrome is frozen or showing a black window, open your task manager if needed and make sure every Chrome process is closed. Then open Chrome again and see if the problem is gone. Sometimes a temporary glitch is all it takes, and a simple restart is enough to bring the browser back to normal. If the black screen is still there, the next step is to restart your computer. This may sound basic, but it is one of the most effective fixes for display-related problems. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then click Restart. A restart refreshes Windows services, graphics processes, and background tasks that may be affecting Chrome. Once your computer turns back on, open Chrome again and check if the screen is working properly. If that does not solve it, the next thing to do is disable hardware acceleration. This is one of the most common causes of Chrome black screen issues in Windows 10. To do that, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. On the left side, click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn it off and then click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new setting. In many cases, this immediately fixes the black screen because Chrome no longer tries to use your graphics card in a way that causes display issues. If you are still seeing the issue, the next step is to disable Chrome extensions. Some extensions can conflict with Chrome's display and cause black windows or loading problems. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From here, turn off extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, theme extensions, and anything that looks suspicious or unfamiliar. After disabling them, reopen Chrome and check whether the black screen is gone. If Chrome starts working again, one of those extensions was likely the cause. Another fix that can help is disabling full screen optimizations for Chrome. First, close Chrome completely, then right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations. After that, click Apply and then OK. This setting can help with rendering problems in Windows 10 and often improves how Chrome displays content on screen. If Chrome is still opening with a black screen, you should also make sure the browser is fully updated. Open Chrome if possible, click the three dots, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if needed. Keeping Chrome updated is important because browser updates often include fixes for graphics bugs, performance issues, and compatibility problems with Windows. At this point, one of these steps has usually fixed the problem. If your Chrome black screen is still happening, you may need to check for driver updates or create a new Chrome profile, but in most cases, the steps in this video are enough to get everything working again. The key things to remember are restart Chrome, restart your PC, turn off hardware acceleration, disable problematic extensions, and check compatibility settings. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Windows 10 and Chrome troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.